66. Talking about travel preferences.
When it comes to travel, do you prefer relaxation or adventure?
I enjoy a mix of both, relaxing on a beach and exploring new places.
That's a balanced approach. Have you been on any adventurous trips?
I went on a backpacking trip through the Amazon rainforest once.
Backpacking in the rainforest sounds intense. How was the experience?
It was challenging but incredibly rewarding. Nature's beauty was breathtaking.
I tend to lean more towards cultural experiences and historical sites.
Exploring different cultures can be enlightening and enriching.
It's all about finding travel experiences that resonate with us.
67. Discussing health and wellness goals. Prioritizing our health is crucial, especially in today's fast-paced world.
Absolutely, taking care of our physical and mental well-being is essential.
Have you set any health goals for yourself recently?
I've been focusing on getting enough sleep and practicing mindfulness.
Mindfulness can have a positive impact on overall wellness. I've been exercising regularly.
Exercise is a great way to stay fit and reduce stress. I also practice yoga.
Yoga is wonderful for flexibility and relaxation. Let's encourage each other to stay healthy.
Agreed, accountability and support make a difference.
68. Talking about fashion trends.
Fashion trends seem to change so quickly.
They do, and it's interesting to see how styles evolve over time.
Are there any current fashion trends that you like?
I'm into oversized sweaters and high-waisted jeans right now.
Those styles are comfortable and versatile. I've noticed athleisure becoming popular.
Athleisure combines comfort and style, which is perfect for an active lifestyle.
Fashion is a way to express ourselves and experiment with different looks.
Absolutely, it's a form of self-expression that can boost confidence. 69. Discussing dream careers.
If you could have any job in the world, what would it be?
I've always dreamed of being a marine biologist and studying ocean life.
Exploring the mysteries of the ocean would be an amazing career.
What about you? Do you have a dream job?
I've always been passionate about photography and would love to be a travel photographer.
Capturing stunning landscapes and cultures through photography sounds fulfilling.
It's important to pursue careers that align with our passions and interests.
Absolutely, doing what we love brings a sense of purpose.
70. Discussing personal values. Our values shape our decisions and actions.
True. They reflect what's important to us in life.
What are some values you hold dear?
Kindness, integrity, and empathy are at the top of my list.
Those are admirable values. I value honesty and lifelong learning.
Honesty and continuous growth are essential for personal development.
Our values guide us in creating meaningful and purposeful lives. 71. Discussing cultural experiences.
Have you had the chance to immerse yourself in a different culture?
Yes, I spent a summer living with a host family in Japan.
Living with a host family must have been a unique experience.
It was. I learned about their daily routines and traditions.
I once participated in a traditional dance workshop during a trip to India.
That's fascinating. Cultural workshops offer hands-on experiences.
It's amazing how much we can learn from different cultures.
Experiencing new cultural broadens our perspectives and enriches our lives.
72. Talking about current events.
Staying informed about current events is important.
Absolutely, it helps us understand the world around us.
Have you been following any recent news stories?
Yes, I've been keeping up with discussing on climate change.
Climate change is a pressing issue that requires global attention.
Indeed, it's important to be aware of social and environment challenges.
Being informed empowers us to contribute positively to society.
73. Discussing favorite books.
Reading is a wonderful way to escape and gain knowledge.
I couldn't agree more. Books open up new worlds.
Do you have any favorite books or genres?
I enjoy mystery novels and historical fiction.
Historical fiction allows us to travel back in time through stories.
Exactly. What about you? Any favorite books?
I'm a fan of science fiction. Imagining futuristic worlds is captivating.
Science fiction often explores thought-provoking concepts.
74. Talking about daily challenges.
Each day brings its own set of challenge, doesn't it?
Absolutely. How we handle challenges defines our character.
What's a recent challenge you faced?
I had to give a presentation at work, which pushed me out of my comfort zone.
Facing public speaking is a common challenge. How did it go?
It was nerve-wracking, but I managed to deliver it confidently.
Overcoming challenges build resilience and confidence.
That's true. Challenges are opportunities for growth. 75. Discussing volunteer work. Volunteering is a rewarding way to give back to the community.
I agree. It's a way to make a positive impact.
Have you been involved in any volunteer projects?
I've been volunteering at a local food bank to help those in need.
That's admirable. Food banks play a crucial role in supporting communities.
Volunteering also allows us to connect with others who share similar values.
It's heartening to see people come together to make a difference. 76. Discussing personal interests.
It's important to have hobbies that bring us joy, don't you think?
Absolutely. Hobbies are a way to unwind and explore our passions.
What are some of your favorite hobbies or interests?
I'm an avid cyclist and love exploring new biking trails.
Cycling is a great way to stay active while enjoying the outdoors.
And what about you? What hobbies do you enjoy?
I'm really into gardening. I find it relaxing and rewarding.
Gardening allows you to nurture and create beauty. That's wonderful.
77. Talking about family vacations. Family vacations create lasting memories, don't they?
They do. Spending quality time together is precious.
Have you been on any memorable family vacations?
We went on a road trip to the Grand Canyon. The views were breathtaking.
Exploring natural wonders with family is a unique experience.
Absolutely. Have you had any special family trips?
We once visited charming coastal town and enjoyed beach activities.
Beach vacations offer relaxing and fun for all ages.
78. Discussing favorite films.
Movies have the power to transport us to different worlds.
They do. A well-made film can evoke strong emotions.
Do you have any favorite movies or genres?
I'm a fan of romantic comedies and heartwarming dramas.
Romantic comedies provide lighthearted entertainment. I enjoy sci-fi films.
Science fiction often sparks our imagination and explore futuristic concepts.
Films offer a shared experience that can bring people together.
That's true. Movie nights with friends are always enjoyable.
79. Talking about personal growth.
Reflecting on our personal growth can be enlightening.
It's important to recognize how far we've come on our journey.
What area of personal growth have you been focusing on?
I've been working on being more patient and practicing gratitude.
Patience and gratitude are qualities that enhance our well-being. I've been honing my communication skills.
Effective communication is valuable in various aspects of life.
Continuous self-improvement leads to a fulfilling and meaningful life.
Absolutely, learning and growing are lifelong pursuits.